What's up, world? Plant Savvy here, and today we are going to be looking over and reviewing how to repot the pothos plant, which is very good for beginner gardeners, for beginner plant life lovers, you know. So what I have here is the hanging pot. Absolutely, and this one here has not been doing so well. I've had the hanging and it just, it's a little skimpy. It's not too happy looking, if you will. And so what I'm gonna do here, this is rich compost soil, so I know that's not the issue and it will grow, but I wanted to give it that extra push of nutrients. So I'm going to first to have a nice flowing type of effect with the pot. I'm going to add another pothos. I believe this may be a Hawaiian pothos, I'm not sure, but it does have great root systems. And we're gonna get this one in here growing with it. We're gonna add some additional nutrients with some organic plant food. All right, so what I'm gonna do, just so I make sure that the plant food, all purpose, is activated, I'm simply gonna drizzle a little bit around here. All right, and I'm going to plant this baby right inside of there. Gotta make some room here. And if you hadn't gotten yourself one of these, I guarantee you need to, because it is a tool that is very useful in the garden. You can cut out roots, you can bury your plants at a quick hurry of a pace without having to tackle and wrestle with the soil too hard. This here tool makes it easier. So I'm just gonna plant this baby down in there, and fill it back in with some of those nutritious pellets, organic. And I'm just gonna top this off, making sure that I cover up all of the organic plant nutrients that I've added, the plant food, with some topsoil, nice and rich. All right, so we got that. We're gonna spread it on out. You always wanna make sure that your organic plant food is making contact with the soil so that it can activate and over time slowly release the amount of nutrients and food that your plant needs. And of course, this right here, another thing, this is simply a label that I got. I just cut up some blinds and they're perfect. You just write the name of it, cut up blinds, and you can cut it at an angle that allows it to stick into the soil, and you got yourself a plant label. And of course, we're gonna add some water. You gotta water this baby down real nice. Yes, yes, yes. Let's make a mess. All right, just wanna make sure that it's draining and it's made its way all the way through the soil. So I'm gonna top it off again. And that's how you get a pothos takeover in the most easy, efficient way that's the healthiest for your plants. And plant fam, you know what to do, right? Keep planting. Plant Savvy Production.